MSM or MSPSL, what's the difference? Well, actually there's no difference. So MSM is mirror, signal and manoeuvre. The manoeuvre part of the mirror, signal, manoeuvre, the MSM, is now position, speed and look. So MSM and MSPSL is the same thing. So all I'm going to be doing here in this video is just giving you an idea of how we use the MSPSL procedure and when we should be doing it. So it's just going to be a short video, and it's just going to cover a couple of junctions, a couple of roundabouts, and it gives you an idea of how we should be carrying out the MSPSL procedure. So I'm going to move away, little look around, make sure everything's safe, final check, moving away, right mirror to come out around this car, so it's mirror position, left mirror to come back in. I'm going to be taking the next left, so I'm going to check my rear and my left mirrors, signal around 2 houses away, 6 cars away, coming off the gas, and I've changed my position. Vehicle coming towards me, so I'm going to pick first gear, so I'm checking behind. Now it's safe to come out, but I've got this vehicle which is reversing off the drive, so I'm going to check my left mirror. At the end of this road, I'm going to be taking the, at the end of the road, I'm going to be turning right. I'm crossing over an urban dual carriageway. So rear, right mirrors. I've already got my position for the blue car. And I can see that I can't see properly, so I'm going to put my signal on and change my speed. So mirror, signal, position, speed. Now I can have a look if there's anything coming. So there's nothing coming from my right, nothing coming from my left. So I'm going to move into the middle, check to my left again, check to my right. Just going to creep out just in case I miss something. As I enter the new road, rear, right mirrors, and then I've got a roundabout in front of me where I'm going to be going straight ahead. So rear and left mirrors, left position. And I'm going to follow the curb line all the way around the roundabout. As I come past the penultimate exit, I'm going to check my rear, left mirrors, left signal, right mirror to come around the parked cars. Not going to pull back in at all. I'm just going to keep myself here because it is an urban dual carriageway, so there's 2 lanes here. And if I pull back in, I've got to check to come back out. But if I pull back in, the vehicle behind me will think that I'm just pulling in and they'll just go past me, so it's going to make it difficult to get back out. So I'm just going to stay in the right-hand lane. And up ahead now, I've got another roundabout coming up where I'm going to be going first exit to the left. So there's a car in front which is braking, but now they go in. I've still got the same car behind me. Because I'm turning left, I need a left position, so left mirror. About 2 houses away again, I'm going to put my signal on. Coming off the gas and a gentle brake. I'm going to start to follow the curb line. Vehicle coming, so I'll pick first gear. I've already checked my exit. There are people walking in the road, so I'm not going to pull out too fast. As I come into the new road, I'm just going to check behind and check to my right to make sure I know what's around me. I've got a totally different car behind now. The vehicle in front is trying to turn right. So I'm going to give them space, and whatever's coming towards me, a bit of space to manoeuvre. So check my right mirror, just to make sure it's safe, nothing's coming around me. So because I've already checked my mirror, I don't need to check again to come around these parked cars, but I am going to check behind because something might be coming down this road a little bit too quick and I may have to slow down or stop. So there is a vehicle coming towards me, rear and left mirrors. So I'm slowing down and picking a new gear and giving myself plenty of space to come back out. So right mirror, checking behind again, and I'm going to come back in after this van, so I'm just going to check my left mirror and that'll give me a better view down the road. To come back out, I check my right mirror and then at the end of this road I'm going to be turning right. So left mirror to come back in, but rear, right mirrors, right signal, right position. Slowing down because I can't see to the left, so pick first gear. Push bikes coming from my right hand side, and there's a few school kids on the pavement on the left, so I'm going to be aware that there might be school children in the road. And now we've got a load of push bikes, so I'm just going to make sure they've gone past. Here's some more. So left mirror to come back in, more push bikes coming towards us, don't know where they've all come from today. Rear and right mirrors, I've got a van behind, nothing coming around me. Right mirror to come back out, checking behind, just so I know what's there. And I'm going to expect more bikes now, because there's been so many bikes there, I'm going to expect to see more, so I'm not going to increase my speed too much. Going to check my left mirror just to come back in a little bit. Here comes some more push bikes. Right mirror, rear mirror. I'm going to wait for these two push bikes to come through. As they get a bit closer, I'm going to check my right mirror. I'm going to move into place. Not going to speed up, I'm checking behind. There's something reversing in the middle of the road, so I'm just going to make sure he's gone by the time I get there. Left mirror to come back in a bit. Some more push bikes on the left. Now I'm going to move away. So I got a roundabout coming up where I'm going to be going straight ahead. So rear, left mirrors. Left position and speed, no signals because I'm going straight ahead. So as long as these vehicles are creeping in from the right hand side, there's a car on my right at the moment which is actually blocking the road, so it's going to make it impossible for me to move away. So I'm looking at the exit before now, and I'm hoping that something's going to come into the roundabout to actually stop them. Nothing at the moment, so I'm waiting for a gap to come up. The lady over the way has let me go, so stay to the left. Rear, left mirrors, left signal. Now, I wouldn't normally put the signal on there because it's all moving so slow. People can see where I'm going. So if this traffic wasn't here, I would have put the indicator on, but I'm just putting it on just to show what we actually do to come off these roundabouts. So I've got another roundabout in front, it's a mini roundabout, and I'm going to be taking the first exit to the left. So again, I'm just going to creep forward. I'm going to put the indicator on about 3 or 4 cars back, so mirrors, signals. Just going to roll into position. So I'm going to check for vehicles coming from the left. So I've got an open reach van which is coming round, which is blocking my right. Entering new road, checking behind, stopping for the vehicle in front who's waiting for the zebra crossing. Checking my right mirror as well, make sure nothing's coming around me. So I hope that little short video helps you understand when we should be checking mirrors, how we should be slowing down, things like that. So the MSM, or the mirror signal position, speed and look, actually works in a car, and how we actually apply it. And if it does, I'd love you to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.